All right. I'm going to show you something really cool that will save you a ton of time, and I'm really excited to show this to you. This might be a little bit longer video because I'm actually going to step you through how you create something, but I created some copy paste stuff that hopefully will make it go a little faster. So let's say you send the same message, the same email out all the time. You have to write up, the example I have is you met somebody, you talk to them about your business, and now you want to send a follow up and see if you can schedule something, right? You can do that in Personify. You have their contact information and type up your email and hit send. You can do the same with SMS, right? You could send them a text message through there. But let's find a way to make that a bit faster, actually a whole lot faster, and also insert some things that'll make it quick to just like automatically fill key information. So I'm in our Personify demo account. None of the information you see here is real. We just have this in place so that we can show you, how to do the different things. So what we're going to work on today is email and text message templates. We call them snippets. Takes a little bit of work to set up. It's really not too bad. But once you have it in place, you can just fly with your communication. So I am in the conversations area, contacts conversations. This is my fake contact that I'm going to be talking to. Up here, template snippets. I want you to click that, and we are going to add an email template or template. The first thing we have to do is create an email like a subject, and that's what this is going to be. Actually, we're going to do both here. So this is actually going to be the name. We'll call it first contact follow-up, right? That's just going to help us remember what this template is all about. And then we'll create a subject line. Great to meet you. Let's talk more. Oops. And okay, so I'm going to copy and paste an email that I put together right here. And I'm going to paste that in. We've got ourselves a preview window here, what it would look like on a cell phone. There's all the different ways you can modify the text, make it different, make it better. You can see in my template, I put in this placeholder. Now this placeholder is not going to be helpful right now. I actually have to insert what's called a custom value. And a custom value is a little bit of code that Personify recognizes and will replace with the information that you want. So recipient name, I'm actually going to go up here to this little button called custom values, and I'm going to find the contact, and I just want to have first name. So you see it's got the curly bracket or the mustache bracket on both sides, and then this little bit of information here. So what's happening here is that custom value is going to go out and find the first name of the person that you're sending the email to, and it'll insert that person's first name right there. So you don't even have to type out their name. You just drop that in. I've got all this other information, and then I put in a little spot here for a calendar link. Again, you can come in here, you can find the calendar and drop it right in there. It's just going to put the calendar link in the email. You don't even have to worry about it. Now this email I'm going to send myself from Nathan. But what if I wanted to set up the template so that anybody could use this? Well, we can go up here and use the user. Let's see, what do we want here? Let's go user full name. So the user, so that's the person that's logging into Personify. It will drop their information in there. Now, if we use that, we probably don't want to put the title in, and we can do the same thing. Let's see, actually, I'm not even sure if we have, let's see. Yeah, there we go. User phone. So some of this stuff, I think I'm going to take that one out. Some of the stuff we don't have set up in the demo account, so I don't have a custom code or a custom value to drop in there. But let's just leave it like that. And there's an option at the bottom to send a test email. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to, one more thing, the attach file. You could add a file to this that's automatically going to be sent. So for Personify, maybe we have a PDF that shows how to be more efficient with your marketing using Personify. And it's like a one sheet that we send along with this stuff. If my email had that, I'd be like, you know, I want to share this with you. I hope it's a help to you. And then I can have it automatically attached to the file. I'm not going to do that today, but we're going to go with that. And while we're in here, I'm going to go ahead and create a text template or an SMS template. And we're going to call this first contact SMS. And I have a little bit here for that. Let's see, we'll do this. I'm going to paste that in there, and we have the same sort of thing. Now you'll notice the text message template maker doesn't have as much information in it because you can't do as much inside of a text message. So, but it does have the custom values. So we're going to say the contact's first name. We're going to put it in there, and then the user's first name or the person who logs into Personify. Put that there. Let's see what else. Let's book something. Okay, so then I'll just drop in the custom value for a calendar there. So it's going to go, hi, John, it's Nathan from, and I have a little space issue I want to put there, from Personify. I really enjoyed our chat. Ready to simplify your marketing with one easy platform? Let's set up a quick demo. What's the best time for you? Here's my calendar. Let's book something. And you'll see here at the bottom the approximated cost to send the text message. This is long enough. It's going to be 4 segments, and each segment costs a little bit of money, but you'll see it's less than 4 cents. It's just over 3 cents to email this to somebody, or I'm sorry, text message this to somebody. You can also attach a URL or a file. I'm not going to worry about that right now, but this is set up so that I could real quickly send a message to somebody and not even have to fill in their information or my information. So let's click save here and see how this works. I'm going to go to contacts and select somebody. This person right here. Okay, so let's pretend I met this person somewhere on, I don't know, a networking event or something, and I want to send them an email. I'm going to go down here to this little page looking thing, and I'm going to insert a template. First contact follow-up, use template, boom, it's right in there. It filled in the subject line. It's going to take care of all this stuff. I can add other things if I want to. I could throw in, I don't know, let's throw in an emoji. I like emojis. There, smiley face. There we go. So we can add all sorts of different things, and then we hit send. And I'm not sure, with this being a demo, I'm not sure it's actually going to send. Yeah, it doesn't. Let's go over to the SMS, same thing. Insert template. We have a created template, first contact, use template. There it is. That's it. And again, it's not going to send. Oh, it did try to send it. It's pending. It's not going to send. But you can see it dropped in the person's first name. Since I'm using an account called Crown Jewel, it's throwing that information in. If I were logged in with my Nathan at Go Personify account, it would put in Nathan. It's Nathan from Personify. So those are snippets, email and SMS snippet templates for email and text message. It's a huge time saver. If you're sending the same thing over and over, or even something that's kind of similar, you could create the bare bones or a framework that you go, you drop in, and then you can add your custom information in later. Again, huge time saver. Of course, like always, we have our help bubble down here. If you try to do this and you run into any issues, click the little button and you'll get immediate text message or Zoom. I'm sorry, not text message, chat support or Zoom support. And they'll be able to help you work out any issues you might have with this or any other part of the platform. I hope this is a big help to you. Sorry, it is a pretty long video, but yeah, a little bit of time here is worth a huge amount of savings later on. Hope it was a fun one to watch. We'll talk to you soon.